Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today 24th November and the time has passed 3:30. So today I have done two trades. The reason for doing two trades is tomorrow I won't be trading. So with proper management of 700 to 800 rupees, I have done two trades for the day and booked a profit of this much. Now the important thing over here is I'll be discussing in very much detail about the process of why I took the entry in HDFC Bank. So first we'll take the chart of HDFC Bank over here. Okay. And I'll be discussing the time where I entered the trade. Okay. So here what do we say is in HDFC chart is the market is in an up move and in its retracement in this breakout. After this breakout and a last kiss and on its up move, I took my entry at somewhere over here. Now let's see where we will be placing our stop loss and target. For that we will be taking the help of Fibo retracement and let's see how it works over here. From the bottom to the top, this was the top as I took the trade. And what do I see over here is, so the reason behind this trade is, as usual in last two videos, I had traveled against the trend. So today I have traveled with the trend. Okay. So what do we see over here is, we see an up move, we see an retracement, and in this breakout I have taken my trade. So reason number one is I am with the trend in this trade. The story is after an up move, I waited for a retracement and then on that breakout I have taken my trade. So this is my first reason. Second reason for entering into this trade is, what do I see here is, when I draw a Fibo from bottom to the top, I do see the retracement exactly at 0.23 over here. The market has moved up over here and I have retraced at 0.2 and again went up and came back. So reason number two is retracement and the support at 0.23. And the third reason is, what I do see here is a double bottom pattern being formed. So three simple logic was for today's trade, and this time I have traveled with the trend with three logical reasons, so multi confirmatory. So we had booked a target in 1:1 ratio over here. 0.23 was this, 0.38 is the next support. So in the midpoint I have kept my target and stop loss of 1:1. Okay, so it has achieved even 2. I have just kept risk reward ratio of 1:1 for this trade. So three simple logics. One is breakout, I have waited for up move, retraced, and for the breakout, then double bottom pattern was being formed and Fibo was giving its retracement at 0.23. So three simple logics for this trade. As tomorrow I won't be trading, I had taken one more trade. Now let's discuss about this trade. In this intraday chart, when I draw a Fibo from bottom to top, what do I see? I'll be discussing that. Here we see zero point 0.5 retracement. Market has given an up move and it has tried to hold over here at 50, and again it went up and again it tried to hold over here at 50. Third time again it holded at 50. So three times market can sustain, fourth time there will be an increased chances of fall. So this was the main logic for entering into this trade, and as soon as market entered, it broke below this 0.52, I did take my trade and I have used 0.7 as my next support and booked my profit over here. So this is basic logic over here was, market was in an up move, but three times it altered its support and the fourth time it should reject. That was the logic over here, and we have booked 1:1 ratio in this trade. So two simple logics and we have booked a profit for today. Hope you have understood the technique for the day, and thank you.